Hey guys, what's going on? My name is j-statik and this is the Static Sessions. So we spoke about how to time stretch a song last time. Now I'm going to be getting you ready to prep your song for doing a remix. Depending on the remix you want to do, you have two options. One, you're just going to add loops and whatnot on top of it, like percussion, Dhol, Dhoki, and all that stuff on top, or maybe even piecework. That's easy to do. You can throw that right in and you call it a day. The prep I'm talking about is mainly for if you want to add in your own drum patterns, your own remix patterns, heavier Dhol on top of this, and you want to get rid of the low end that's already on the song or the kick and the bass that's already on the song. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. A lot of people do this because they want to hear more of the vocals and their information that they're going to add in underneath, and they want to keep the vocals a little bit higher. So, easy way to do this, beyond using Isotope RX7, is throw on a nice little simple EQ. So I use EQ 8. And forward into the song where you know the bass and kick kind of pop in. Hit play, see what it sounds like. Get rid of the metronome because you don't need it. So it's pretty bass heavy. We want to get rid of some of this stuff. So don't be afraid of where you want to, cut it to. Everyone always asks me, where should we cut it to? How should we do it? Do it till it sounds nice and it doesn't cut out the vocal. So let's keep going.
ਦੋਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਠੋਕ ਠੋਕ ਮਸਲੇ ਨਵੇੜੇ ਵੇ ਆਪ ਤਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਚੱਟੀ ਬੁਣ ਬੁਣ ਕੋਟੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇੜੇ ਵੇ ਆਓ ਅੱਖ ਦੇ ਬੰਦੂਕ ਦੋਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਠੋਕ ਠੋਕ ਮਸਲੇ ਨਵੇੜੇ ਵੇ
That's it. You've gotten rid of a lot of low-end information. You kept the vocal. It's got some hi-hats and whatnot in it. It's probably got some Dhoki and Dhol already in it, which is fine. That's prepped, and now you're ready to go to start adding your own information, your own drum patterns, your own percussion loops, whatever you feel like adding. Now, with that being done, you're ready for the next step, which we're going to get into in the next episode. If you feel like this helped you out and got you to the right point to prep your song to be ready for a remix, please comment, like, share, subscribe, click that little button, that little bell button, because you're going to be ready for your future notifications. Other than that, see you guys soon.